How to fix Samsung Smart Switch for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file to uninstall Samsung Smart Switch from Mac. #bin/bash #stop the Samsung Smart Switch application if it is running. If grep smartswitch/dev/null then echo stopping Samsung Smart Switch. Killall Smart Switch sleep 2fi #uninstall Samsung Smart Switch echo uninstalling Samsung Smart Switch. sudo rmrf/application/smartswitch.app sudo rmrf/library/application support/samsung/smartswitch sudo rmrf/library/caches/samsung/smartswitch sudo rmrf/library/LaunchAgents/com.samsung.SmartSwitchAgent.plist sudo rmrf/library/LaunchDaemons/com.samsung.SmartSwitchHelper.plist sudo rmrf/library/log/smartswitch echo Samsung Smart Switch has been uninstalled. This script will first check if the Samsung Smart Switch application is running and stop it if it is. It will then proceed to uninstall Samsung Smart Switch by removing its application bundle, support files, LaunchAgents, and daemons, and logs. To use this script, follow these steps. 1. Open a text editor on your Mac, such as TextEdit or BBEdit. 2. Copy and paste the above script into the text editor. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, for example, uninstall_Samsung_Smart_Switch.sh. 4. Open terminal on your Mac. 5. Navigate to the directory where you saved the uninstall_Samsung_Smart_Switch.sh file using the cd command. 6. Run the command mod +x uninstall_Samsung_Smart_Switch.sh to make the script executable. 7. Run the script by typing /uninstall_Samsung_Smart_Switch.sh in terminal and hitting enter. This will execute the script and uninstall Samsung Smart Switch from your Mac. Please note that this process is irreversible, so make sure that you want to uninstall Samsung Smart Switch before running the script. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.